In 3.7.3, we've added in a new array output for the interface, which is very much like the array input object in terms of the way it behaves. So to add an array output, you click on the numeric display, which now is a drop-down. Array output is below that. You click somewhere to place it, and then you grab a variable with which to populate it. And in this case, I'm just going to select incidence 3D, and we can see that this is basically the same as the array input. It's slightly shorter in terms of the spacing, but it has the same basic layout. And just like for a array input, you can select the appearance as a drop-down in this case, and I'll take away the title, and we get pretty much the same thing as a simple output device. If I were to go in here and type in a number, make it quite different so you can see it. You can see that the value updates in the output as we change the input. And I can restore values. Again, it has the same geometric characteristics as the array input, so that if I were to add, instead of a 3D array, the 2D version, you don't need to select to get the third dimension, since there are only 2 dimensions. The sequence of rows and columns is determined by the order of the dimensions in the definition of the variable. And of course, for something like this, you can put in a title that looks a little bit nicer in order to make it look good. And that's the array output device. Quite a simple device, but very handy if you've got fairly large arrays and want to display them in total.